Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you are having an awesome day. In today's video, I'll be talking about best trending Bohemian Braids hairstyle for African women in 2024. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you are new here, please also like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Now, the Bohemian braids or boho braids are a trending hairstyle for African women in 2024, known for their relaxed, free-spirited look. These braids blend the natural beauty of traditional braids with a carefree texture style, making them ideal for women who want a versatile and stylish appearance. Boho braids often feature loose waves, coils, and accessories, giving them a unique personalized touch. Popular variations include boho box braids, which combine loose wave strands with traditional box braids for a soft romantic look. Bohemian Gala's braids incorporate larger, intricate braids with interwoven coils, creating a regal yet relaxed style. Boho knotless braids are a lightweight, scalp-friendly option that adds texture with loose, coily ends. Boho Senegalese twists offer a sleek, smooth look with added waves for a dynamic contrast, while Bohemian braided updos provide an elegant, formal option with intricate patterns and loose tendrils. Accessories like beads, shells, and metallic cups are often used to enhance boho braids, adding texture and visual interest. This hairstyle not only offer a fashionable look but also serve as a protective style, helping to shield natural hair from damage and reducing scalp tension. Bohemian braids are versatile, easy to maintain, and perfect for African women looking to express their individuality with a stylish low-maintenance hairstyle in 2024. I hope you like this video. Finally, I would love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing styles of Bohemian braids you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye!